Hey everybody, this is Dane. If you're looking to make the move to Oklahoma, here's another great walkthrough here. This is the Farm 3 Flex model. You can get this in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That's the model we're in. You can get it in a 4-bedroom or 5-bedroom with an extra den. These are fully textured walls. You can also get this house in a 32 wide if you like. This is the house we're in right now. You can get it in the other models as well. This one has carpet in the bedrooms, but you can get it with all hard floors if you want.